Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel KIRAT Styles and Beauty, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing as I make videos related beauty, styling and a lot more good stuff. So guys, in this video, as you guys have read by the title, I'm going to create a no makeup look, and I'm going to create this look with very minimal products, and all of these products are from drugstore. So without wasting much time, let's just jump into this video. So guys, I have already prepped my skin and there's nothing on my skin. I've just moisturized it. So the first thing I'm going to use in this look is this Maybelline SUPERSTAY 24-hour full coverage foundation. I've used drugstore foundation, I've used high-end products, high-end foundations, but I always reach for this one. This one is that good. So for my no makeup look, I use this foundation only. I used to use Maybelline's RE-DDY concealer, but I like this one much better because it covers my dark spots very well. So I'm going to take this foundation. I'm going to take just a drop. So I've taken actually 2 drops because I thought the one would be less. So here's my mirror. What I do, I take some foundation on my finger and I apply it on my dark circles. It's too much, you don't want to take that much. I applied too much, but I'll apply the rest of the foundation onto other parts of my face. Like here I have a zit and a small zit here as well. And I'm going to blend the foundation with my fingers first, because fingers are the best. I like to use my fingers to blend the foundation or concealer in no makeup look. I don't know what's wrong with my sleeping pattern these days. I'm not able to get my full 6 or 7 hours sleep, and that is why I'm getting these dark circles. So remember, the sleep is very important. Take your 7 to 8 hours sleep every day to avoid these dark circles, and also don't stress much because it shows on your skin. Okay guys, now I'm gonna take some more foundation on my finger and I'm gonna apply it on the other parts of my face so I can see spots, scars on my face. And I'm going to tap the foundation. I have some spots here. Basically apply the foundation on those areas where you want to even out your skin. Like here, I have some redness around the nose. I feel like the warmth of the finger really melt down the product. And now I'm gonna go over with my this beauty sponge so that it will soak any extra product and our skin will look all natural. Okay guys, now I have evened out my skin. I'm going to use this Maybelline's Color JOLT Intense Lip Paint in the shade 30 Red D or not. So I'm going to take this on my hand again, just a little bit, not too much. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some of it and I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks, just a little bit, not too much. And now I'm gonna take my fingers and blend it out, and same blend on the other side as well. And whatever left on my finger, I'm going to rub it on my nose. And and some of the tint I'm going to use on my lips as well. Now to fix this blush, I'm going to use my beauty blender, beauty sponge, and I'm gonna dab it so it will soak the extra product. And look at this, guys, it gives a very natural flush of color to your skin, and your skin looks very healthy and glowy. Your cheeks looks like Kashmir ka seb. Yeah, and it looks like your skin. It doesn't look like you're wearing too much of products on your skin. It looks like your skin, so which is the best part, and which is why this makeup look is called no makeup makeup look. Now I'm gonna use this Rimmel London's Stay Matte powder. This is in the shade Transparent, and the foundation shade is Soft Beige 28. Both of these shades are not my shade. This is very light for my skin tone, but it does tend to oxidize, and when it oxidizes it matches my skin, so it doesn't bother me at all. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my beauty sponge and this powder. I'm going to take this much on my beauty sponge, and I'm going to press onto my skin under my eyes. I'm also using this powder on the side of my nose because my T-zone is very oily, and this powder helps me to stay matte for the longer period of time. Apply this powder under my eyes and on my T-zone to stay matte because my skin is very oily. So guys, this is how I do my face. Let's just move on to eyes now. While I use this eyelash curler, and if you're not comfortable using this eyelash curler, please don't use it. I like to use eyelash curler, so I'm using it because it gives my eyelash very nice lift. Look at this, guys. Look at this eye and look at this eye. And that is it. I don't use any mascara on no makeup makeup look because this eyelash curler gives me instant eyelash lift. So guys, now for my eyebrows, I use this L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Plumper. You can use any tinted brow mascara because it will set my eyebrows in place and also give me a tint of color to my eyebrows. And the shade, let me just tell you the shade first. The shade is medium / dark. I just like to go upwards. And if you want, you can use your mascara as well, like eyelash mascara on your eyebrows. Make sure you go with very light hand because you don't want your eyebrows to look very dark. Guys, now I'm done with my eyebrows. The last step would be to spray this mist toner, hydrating mist toner, or you can use any makeup setting spray. I use this one. So this one is from SUKIN Rose Hydrating Mist Toner, so that all of my products will melt down on my skin. Any powder will not look powder on my skin, it will look my skin after using this spray. So I'm going to spray this one. So guys, I've come up close and personal so you guys can see how this makeup look looks. So it looks very natural and fresh and attractive at the same time. It doesn't look like you're wearing so much of makeup. I just love this makeup look. Okay guys, so here's a quick tip for no makeup makeup look. Try to avoid powders as much as you can. Use cream products. Try to use cheek tints, lip tints, because it looks more natural. And cheek tints, lip tints are so in these days. Everybody is using it and raving about it. You can use your lipsticks and it does work. One more thing guys, please don't try to cover too much of your spots and scars with foundation, because if you'll put too much of product on your skin, it will look very cakey and will look not nice, and there'll not be a no makeup look. So just try to cover it with a little bit of foundation or concealer and give a nice tint to your skin, and it will look very healthy, very glowy. So guys, this is my video. I've kept it very simple and very easy for you all, and this is how I like to create a no makeup look on myself as well. So I really like this look so far, and it's very easy and quick. So guys, you can wear this look to your office, to your college, or even at home. It's totally up to you, and I hope you'll like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and please comment down below and tell me what other videos you would like to see on my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, stay happy, stay beautiful.